What's going on, guys? Where I review the latest and greatest gadgets. By research and personal testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the need of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered for. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video.
Your Ninja Foodi Deluxe is equipped with 9 cooking functions for endless mealtime possibilities. The pressure, steam, slow cook, and yogurt functions are used with the pressure lid. Use the sear, sauté without the lid for browning and flipping ingredients, just like on your stovetop. The air crisp, bake, roast, broil, and dehydrate functions are used with the crisping lid. To adjust the temperature or pressure level, press the temp button and turn the knob to select your desired temperature. To adjust the cooking time, press the time button and turn the knob to select your cooking time. Press the start-stop button to begin or end your cooking cycle. Use the pressure function to quickly tenderize and infuse moisture into your foods with pressurized steam. After pressure cooking your food, use the air crisp function to tender crisp your food to perfection. Use the steam function to cook foods you typically steam in a pot on your stovetop. Steam infuses moisture, seals in flavor, and maintains the texture of your foods. Use the slow cook function for low and slow cooking for chili, stews, and pulled pork. Use the yogurt function to easily create delicious yogurt. The air crisp function delivers a crispy, golden texture using little to no oil. The bake roast function allows you to cook meals in the pot as you would with your oven. The broil function used with the deluxe reversible rack finishes off your meals with caramelization and crispiness. The dehydrate function allows you to gently remove moisture from ingredients to create snacks like chips and jerky. Visit ninjakitchen.com for exciting recipe ideas to get you started.
The new Instant Pot Duo Plus is so much more than a slow cooker. It's a slow cooker, pressure cooker, sauté pan, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sous vide, and more. Upgrade your mealtime in an instant.
I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more gadget reviews. Also, let me know in the comments below which electric pressure cooker you like the most, or if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.